Kindly watch the video carefully.
Well, I don't know how to start a computer. Can you help me?
Okay, I will teach you how to start the computer.
Please show it to me step by step.
First, switch on the main power switch. Second, switch on the UPS button and then the monitor button.
Yes, look, both the UPS and the monitor have a green light on now.
Good. Now third, switch on the button of the CPU. Now, wait for the computer to boot up.
What happens during the boot up?
When booting starts, the operating system is first loaded into the memory of the computer.
Look, the computer screen is now on and showing the desktop screen.
Yes, the computer has now booted up. You can now start working on it.
What are these small pictures on the screen called?
These small pictures on the desktop are called icons. These icons serve as a file shortcut to access the program or data. To access any of these programs, you can double-click on them with the mouse. Now, do you know how to shut down a computer?
Well,
So, in the video, there is a step that how to start a computer. So, our today topic is also this, that starting and shutting down a computer. This is week 2 and our lecture is lecture number 3 and chapter number 1, a smart machine. So today's topic is starting and shutting down a computer. You all know that a computer is a machine and like a television or a fridge runs on electricity. Computer itself is a machine. Computer खुद एक क्या है? Machine. Like television, fridge and runs on electricity. All the machines are runs on electricity because it is compulsory to run for every machine. Therefore it is an electronic machine. इस वजह से इसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन. किसी भी मशीन को चलने के लिए किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है? बिजली की, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की. जैसे कि हम लोगों को कोई भी काम करना होता है तो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं ना, हमें एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है. इसी तरीके से किसी भी मशीन को चलने के लिए किसकी ज़रूरत होती है? एनर्जी की. और वो एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से. इस वजह से हम इन मशीन्स को क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन. जस्ट लाइक अ टेलीविजन, जिस तरह कि आपके पास टेलीविजन है यानी कि टीवी है और एक फ्रिज है और एक फ्रीजर है, अ कंप्यूटर टू कैन बी स्विच ऑन एंड ऑफ. तो कंप्यूटर भी क्या होता है, जैसे कि हम लोग टीवी को भी स्विच ऑन करते हैं और स्विच ऑफ करते हैं, फ्रिज को भी हम लोग स्विच ऑन करते हैं, स्विच ऑफ करते हैं, इसी तरह कंप्यूटर भी एक मशीन है. तो कंप्यूटर को भी क्या होता है, हमें स्विच ऑन भी करना पड़ता है और ऑफ भी करना पड़ता है. जब कंप्यूटर की ज़रूरत होती है तो हम स्विच ऑन कर लेते हैं और जब कंप्यूटर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है हम लोगों को तो हम स्विच ऑफ कर लेते हैं. तो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड स्टार्टिंग एंड शटिंग डाउन अ कंप्यूटर. तो ये क्या हमारे पास होता है कि कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करना और कंप्यूटर को जब ऑफ करना होता है तो उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? शट डाउन, यानी कि शटिंग डाउन अ कंप्यूटर. सो हियर इज द स्टेप how to start a computer. There is a proper way to start a computer. Step number 1, switch on the power supply. आपके पास मेन बोर्ड में जो भी आपके पास स्विच लगा होता है सिस्टम का, उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? पावर सप्लाई. तो स्विच ऑन द पावर सप्लाई. स्टेप नंबर 2, स्विच ऑन द यूपीएस. अगर तो आपके कंप्यूटर के साथ यूपीएस लगा हुआ है देन यू हैव टू स्विच ऑन द यूपीएस. अगर आपके कंप्यूटर के अंदर यूपीएस नहीं लगा हुआ तो यू डोंट have to switch on the UPS. Okay, then you have to direct switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet. सीपीयू बॉक्स के अंदर जो सीपीयू का बटन होता है उसको आपको स्विच ऑन करना पड़ता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट स्टेप नंबर 4 इज स्विच ऑन द मॉनिटर. जैसे ही आप स्विच ऑन द मॉनिटर का स्विच ऑन करेंगे, आपके पास जो कंप्यूटर है वो क्या हो जाएगा, स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. जब कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट होगा तो आपके पास एक ऐसे स्क्रीन अपीयर होती है, ठीक है, उसको क्या कहते हैं, डेस्कटॉप. क्या कहते हैं, डेस्कटॉप. राइट इन अ चैट बॉक्स, क्या कहते हैं, राइट इन अ चैट बॉक्स. आई वांट आंसर फ्रॉम यू पीपल, हरी अप. उसे हम लोग कहते हैं डेस्कटॉप. वेरी गुड. अ स्क्रीन कॉल्ड द डेस्कटॉप अपीयर. आपके पास एक स्क्रीन अपीयर होती है, ठीक है, उसे क्या कहते हैं, डेस्कटॉप. यू कैन स्मॉल पिक्चर ऑन इट, दीज आर कॉल्ड आइकन्स. अब डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर ये देखिए आप लोगों के पास स्क्रीन पे शो हो रहा है, हियर इज अ स्मॉल पिक्चर. दीज स्मॉल पिक्चर आर कॉल्ड आइकन्स. इन स्मॉल पिक्चर्स को क्या कहते हैं, आइकन्स. when computer is on, a screen is appear, that screen is called desktop. उस स्क्रीन को क्या कहते हैं, डेस्कटॉप. और जो उसके ऊपर स्मॉल पिक्चर्स आती हैं उनको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, आइकन्स. क्या कहते हैं, आइकन्स. वेरी गुड. So next we have to do exercise. Everyone open page number 7 of your book. Hurry up. Open page number 7. Hurry up. Take out your books and pencil. Open page number 7. You have to do your exercise, book exercise. Hurry up. React with thumbs up if you open page number 7. Okay. So here is page number 7, first question. The steps to start a computer are given below. Number the step in the correct order. वो कह रहा है कि आपके पास कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करने के स्टेप दे दिए हैं, आपने करेक्ट ऑर्डर में नंबर लिखने हैं कि कौन सा स्टेप फर्स्ट पे आएगा, कौन सा सेकंड पे आएगा, कौन सा थर्ड पे आएगा और कौन सा फोर्थ वन पे आएगा. I fill the box for you. First is switch on the monitor. Tell me switch on the monitor is first step. Tell me in a chat box. Switch on the monitor is the first step? No. Very good. Very good. So switch on the monitor is fourth step. So write in a box 4. Write in a box 4. Good. Very good. Number 2 is switch on the UPS. Tell me student that switch on the UPS is the second step. Switch on the UPS is the second step. Yes. Switch on the UPS is second step. Very good. Write in a box 2. Very good. And number C is switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet. Switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet is a third step. Tell me yes or no. Very good. Very good. Yes. Switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet is third step. Write in a box 3. Good. The fourth one is switch on the main supply. This is the fourth step? No. Step number 1. Very good. So write in a box 1. Very good. Very good. Everyone done this question? Write in a chat box or react with thumbs up. Very good. So we go for next slide. So question number 2, page number 8. Open page number 8. Page number 8, question number 2. React with thumbs up if page number 8 is open. Ruhail and his friends were in the garden. One of them noticed some flashcards on the ground. The flashcards have a picture of a desktop, a laptop, or a palm top. Ruhail and his friend were playing in the garden. One of them noticed some flashcards on the ground. The flashcards have a picture of a desktop, a laptop, or a palm top. So can you count the following? See in the picture, there are 5 flashcards. Tell me that how many cards have a desktop picture? Number of desktop, write in a blank. Tell me in a chat box. Tell me in a chat box. Very good. Number of desktop are 3. Number of desktop 3. So write in a blank, number is 3. Very good. B is number of laptop. How many laptop are there in the picture? 2. Very good. Very good. So write in a blank is 2. Number C is how many palm top are there in the picture? 1. Very good. How many palm top in a picture? 1. Very good. Write on your books also. Very good. Now we go for the next slide. So, question number 3 is Sonia was holding a bag full of alphabet keys. Some of the keys fell down on the floor. सोनिया के पास एक बैग था अल्फाबेट कीज का. Some of the keys, उसमें से कुछ keys fell down on the floor. जमीन पर गिर गए. Surprisingly, they will form a type of computer. By chance क्या हुआ कि वो एक कंप्यूटर की टाइप बनती है. If arrange in order, अगर उसे ऑर्डर के साथ अरेंज किया जाए. Give it a try. एक ट्राई आप लोगों को एक मौका देते हैं. यू कैन यूज अ लेटर मोर देन वंस, कि आप एक लेटर को एक से ज़्यादा टाइम भी यूज कर सकते हो, यानी कि एक ही लेटर को रिपीट कर सकते हो. So can you please tell me what is the type of computer if we arrange in a order? Write in the chat box. Desktop computer, very good, very good, very good. Yes. So the type of computer is desktop computer. So you have to write in a blank. The type of computer is desktop computer. The type of a computer is desktop computer. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now react with thumbs up that all sequence questions done on your book. Very good. Thank you. Now I want that you watch the remaining part of the video. Kindly watch the remaining part of the video carefully.
I have forgotten.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. To shut down the computer, first you have to click on the start button.
Which is the start button?
It is the small button at the left bottom corner of the screen. It is the shape of the window icon.
So you all watch the remaining part of the video. How was the video? What you understand from the video? That how many steps are there in your book? How to start computer? How many steps? Kindly tell me in a chat box that how many parts to start a computer. How many steps are there in your book? My voice is clear to all of you? React with thumbs up. My voice is clear? Very good. 4 steps are there in your book. The first step is, tell me the first step is, the first step is switch on the power supply. Switch on the power supply. The second step is, switch on the UPS. And the third step is switch on the CPU. Good. And the fourth one is switch on the monitor. Tell me what is desktop? Very good. Now open your book, page number 2. Hurry up. Open your book, page number 2. On page number 2, there is an activity. How many computers do you see in the picture below? On page number 2, there is an activity. In your second lecture, you people done. Tell me that. How many computers do you see in the picture below? Write in a chat box. 3. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Shabash. And the second one is, do you find any computer part missing? Tell me that any part missing? Any computer part missing? Tell me yes or no. Write in a chat box. Any computer part missing? Very good, yes. So the answer of this blank is yes. Now tell me if yes, what is missing? What is missing? Mouse. Very good. What is missing? Mouse. Very good. So today we wind up our lecture. Tomorrow we will start exercise from question number 4, 5 and 6. Page number 9. So this is your task to read page number 9. Thank you. Thank you, students.